going to become more intelligent. Welcome to my session called Superb Smart. Thank you everyone for being here. The fact that you are here shows you want to become more smart, more intelligent with the help of simple hand exercises. My name is Vishal Coach and I'm part of Leadership Academy. I promise that I give you my 100% and expect the same from you. Before getting into the session, let's start with a fun game. How many are ready for the game? Say hi! Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Ball Pyramid. What is the name of the game? Ball Pyramid. What is the name of the game? Ball Pyramid. The rules of the game are very simple. You must use all the 4 pieces and build a pyramid. How many pieces? 4 pieces. The objective of the game are very simple. You must use all 4 pieces and build the pyramid on the lesser, deeper side of the base stack. As you can see, there are 2 sides. One is deep, one is lesser deep. You must build it on the lesser, deeper side. You can see? Yes. At the end, you have 3 edges at the bottom and 1 edge at the top. Okay? I will be giving you 2 minutes and the person completing first will get 500 points. How many points? 500. Now coaches will distribute the puzzle. If anybody seen touching the puzzle will get disqualified. Your 2 minutes time starts now. Eight, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. How many of you managed to see the puzzle? Impossible. No one? Impossible. It is possible. How we should ask for the clue? Coach, please give me the clue. Come on, more energy. Joyson. The clue is 4, 3, 2 and 1. As I had given you the clue, I'll be giving you 1 minute and 250 points. Your 1 minute time starts now. See, everybody finds it easy. You can also do it. What happened?
Coach, please give me a clue.
Clue?
Give me a clue.
The clue is 4, 3, 2 and 1.
What is the clue?
See, 4, 3, 2 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and time. How many of you managed to complete the puzzle? Good. Great. Okay, wait, stop. What about others? You all want the answer?
Yes.
How should I ask for the answer? Coach, please give me the answer. Come on, Sana. Coach, please give me the answer. You want the clue or the answer? Then how come? Coach, please give me the answer. Everybody observe clearly. The answer is, if you can't see, then come near as well. See, 4. Here 3. Okay. See here 2 and 1. See. Learn from this game. Come on. Focus.
Smart.
Sorry? Smart. Be creative. Think. Then
What's knowledge?
knowledge. What are the clues which I gave?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, what are those 4, 3, 2, 1? Numbers, then communication, then Joyson, what does it mean?
Focus.
Focus. Hisham, practice makes progress. Hisham, practice makes permanent. Practice makes perfect. Okay.
Time management. Authorization. Patience.
Great, great, great. See, the clue which I gave you 4, 3, 2, 1 are the steps. Correct?
Yes.
Successful people have successful steps. No one can become successful without any steps.
Yes.
They can't become successful because luck or fluke. Correct?
Yes.
Now, if you want to be successful, if you want to be healthy, even if you want to study, for everything we have steps. Correct?
Yes.
Now today I am here to teach you the steps and the tricks how to make your brain smart, fast and intelligent. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Before that, I would like to ask you all a question. If you want to study, if you want to play a sport, or if you want to do any action, which is something very important.
Focus.
Focus,
Patience.
skill, patience.
Concentration.
Okay, concentration. What is the main source of this concentration? Which is related to concentration? It's a human body part.
Mind.
Mind, mind. Then I said human body part.
Human body part.
Brain, correct. If your brain is sharp and smart,
Brain. Mind.
no. If your brain is smart, sorry, if your brain is sharp and focused, what you can do? You can complete the work effectively and efficiently, right?
Yes.
That's what I'll be teaching you today, how to make your brain work effectively, efficiently with the help of simple hand exercises. I would like everyone to rise up, please. Let's start with the hand exercises. The first exercise is called Idli and Dosa. Hands here, hands one hand on your stomach. See, this should go up and down. This should go up and down. This should go clockwise. Together, perfect.
Not on your stomach.
Like this, perfect. The second exercise is nose and ears. Nose and ears. See, one,
I know this exercise.
one, see, one hand here, one hand here. 1, 2, exchange. Again, 3, again close. 4, release. 5, release. 6. Okay, if you're not comfortable with it, you can do clapping also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So touch, the hand should touch your body. 5, 6, 7, 8. Together, same time. 9, 10. Okay, now we'll alternate. Same thing, alternate, okay? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it should be in L shape. And this should also be in L shape. Other The next exercise is called bell and plate. Okay? One hand will have bell and other hand hand will have blades. Okay? He's doing perfectly. See? 1, 2. This hand should not rotate. Only this hand should rotate. 1, 2. No, see here. Only this should move. The next exercise is called arm swing. Okay? Arm swing. Not that one. See, one should go one side, other should come.
Oh, like this.
Correct. No. See, rotation.
This is correct, right?
Perfect. Go to the last and final one. It's called hand rotation. See, keep your hand like this. One should go clockwise and the other should go anti-clockwise.
Correct, coach.
No, I'll give you the clue.
Coach, correct.
First keep above, swap, down,
Coach, correct.
swap,
Spinning.
up, swap, down, swap, up, swap, down, swap, up, swap, down, swap.
I got this.
3,
I'm never doing it.
4,
Coach.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much for your participation, everyone. Give yourself a big round of applause. Keep practicing these brain gyms every single day. I'll be sending you the videos of these brain gyms. So please kindly do it daily, which will help you to make your brain smarter, faster, and it will be unique from everyone. You will be more smart and intelligent. Thank you so much.